It's extremely important that once a year at least we gather in this lovely place, the OBA soundstage, to remember the fallen. In 1916, the second headmaster of our school, Mr. Carter, made a pledge that was passed on to all of his successors. I am now the 9th of his successors, and it's my duty and privilege to honour that pledge. And the pledge was simply this: to remember the fallen, to remember those students of our school who did not return, some 92 of them. Their names live on in the life and history of our school. There are buildings scattered across our landscape that remind us of their contribution. The War Memorial Oval, the chapel, the middle school steps, the small steps leading into the chapel itself, as I mentioned, and the junior school buildings, all are war memorial spaces, standing to remind us daily of the contribution of others who walked these slopes before us and who paid a significant sacrifice in defence of this country and all of the freedoms that we now in this generation enjoy. So we gather all of us, all of our students, and welcome our guests today who stand with us to remember those who went before us. It is now my honour to read the names of the fallen. From the First World War, Private Godfrey Buckland, Lieutenant Edward Capper, Sergeant Theodore Carson, Second Lieutenant Arthur Clark, Gunner Reginald The school remembers Lieutenant William Fisher, Lance Corporal Sterling Frankie, Gunner Charles Glennie, Private Charles Harrington, Lieutenant Raymond Hassel, Trooper Francis Kane, Captain Charles Kirsch,